US President Joe Biden released the debut photo from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, an image of a galaxy cluster revealing the most detailed glimpse of the early universe ever seen. The $9 billion Webb Observatory, the largest and most powerful space science telescope ever launched, was designed to peer through the cosmos to the dawn of the known universe, ushering in a revolutionary era of astronomical discovery. The image, showcased by Biden and NASA Chief Bill Nelson, showed the 4.6 billion-year-old galaxy cluster, whose combined mass acts as a gravitational lens, distorting space to greatly magnify the light coming from more distant galaxies behind it. "It's a new window into the history of our universe," Biden said before the picture was unveiled. "And today we're going to get a glimpse of the first light to shine through that window, light from other worlds, orbiting stars far beyond our own. It's astounding to me." With Webb now finely tuned and fully focused, scientists will embark on a competitively selected list of missions exploring the evolution of galaxies, the life cycles of stars, the atmospheres of distant exoplanets and the moons of our outer solar system.